Hello, good day everyone. Welcome once again to THINKALLY tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to add subject. Remember, this is tutorial number 9. In tutorial number 8 I thought I was going to be able to show you how to add both sections and subject, but I ended up only showing you how to add sections. So in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to add subject. I'm excited about it because THINKALLY is very robust, and we are gradually get to the end of, did I say to the end? There's a long way to go. Okay, let me show you how to add subject. I'm going to log out so you see how to log in case you have not been following before. This is tutorial number 9. I advise you go back to the first tutorial in case you are not getting anything right, or it's something you want to get very well. If you need to reach us, drop your comment in the comment box below, or send us a mail at info@thinkally.net. So I'm logging in with the demo script I have been using, the Galaxy, and then password. I'm not going to tell you that. Okay. Yes, so as I told you earlier on, the subject is hidden within the academic menu. So subject is a sub menu under the academic menu. I click on subject. I'm not going to waste time at all. To add a subject, of course you see it looks as if there are no subject, but there are. If you need to see the subjects are assigned already to any particular class, just click on a class. It shows you the subject. Subjects could be mandatory and they could be optional. A mandatory subject would simply mean that it will show on the report sheet. It will also show while trying to add marks to it, but an optional subject will not. You cannot assign scores to an optional subject. So if your subjects are mandatory, please make them mandatory so that you'll be able to add marks to the subject, and so that they can reflect on the report sheet of the children or the students after examination. Okay, so add a subject is what I do. Add a subject. I need to know the class name. Which class does that subject belong to, or which classes? You could have more than one classes. A secondary school, for instance, would have mathematics taken by all students in the class. In the school. You understand? And then also another question is, who is the teacher? Who is the teacher teaching the subject? You could also have more than one teacher. I hope you know that. And it could just be one. So in case, let me pick more than one. Okay. What type of subject is it? Is it mandatory? Is it optional? I'll pick mandatory. Pass mark. What is a pass mark? What is the lowest score for which a child will still be regarded as having passed the exam? I know you understand what I'm saying. So I'm picking my lowest score to be very low. You do your final mark. What's it? That's final mark here is marks obtainable. The subject name, I am using a subject name, say English language. If it's English language, that means everybody should take it. English language. Subject author. Author could mean the author of the textbook. So I can say J Ago. Just one any name, don't mind me. But subject code is instructive here. The subject code would mean a code that you will use to identify the subject. Of course, you understand what I'm saying. English language, I can give it ENG.1. So I'm adding the subject right now. There you go. It has been added, and for this basic one, they now have one more subject assigned to them. If you check another class, because we added English language to everyone. See, they also have it there. So thank you very much for listening to this tutorial, watching this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I'm going to be showing you, I know you must have been waiting for this, how to add students. Thank you.